E get one man for Lagos wey be say begin beat his 2 children. He beat them, no reach am. He begin carry them, go block them for inside drum wey be say water dey. Na even the neighbor sef come begin go call police, make police come go meet this man, come arrest this man, carry this man go police station. Wetin happen no pass say this man, if he dey comot for house, he no dey put food for ground make the children eat. Na every time if he comot for house in the morning, go come back from outside, go come house in the evening. If he dey comot for house, he no dey leave food for house make these children eat. These children dey just dey survive based on begging. They go dey beg neighbor for food. On this fateful day, so we say this thing take happen. So this man, as he dey do before, when he dey comot for house, wey no take put food for ground, no put money for ground, he take cook food, he no put food for ground at all. And the worst part be say these children are just small children. One na 8 years old and one na 6 years old. As this man dey comot for house, I know say on the reason I say as we say come beat the children, and before he come dey beat am, come go lock am put for drum. Where the wife e don tey when we say the wife run leave am and the children comot, say because say na so beaty na dey beat this wife, when we say the wife still run comot. So these days, so as this man comot for house now, he no put food for ground, he no money to take cook food for ground, he come comot, as he comot now, the children come dey hungry wan kill them. Then they can't go run, go meet their neighbor, beg them for food. In short, the neighbor can't go bring food, can't give them for us, see me they eat too. So as the man come back side for outside now, he can't ask them, say what the children eat. Person will say not put money for ground, make the children take cook food eat. Next they ask the children what the children eat. So people when they crazy, so not being the children come to say daddy do well. Na mama Ikechi, for example, my call the neighbor who say give them food, mama Ikechi. Na mama Ikechi na give us food, no so say it to how mama Ikechi go give una food, make una eat. Not tell una before una not dey eat anybody food. Imagine pikin won't be say they hungry since the morning, you not give pikin food, and you dey quarrel with pikin, they beat pikin, say why be say pikin go eat mama Ikechi food, and this man begin beat the children, carry the children, go lock camp for drum. Now neighbors now come they shout. The man, you know the way we say they beat, now you know tell me the way I take run my home, you know go fit tell me mama Ikechi, you know go tell me the way I fit take run my home. When we say some men they do, now they can't go begin carry, then the neighbors can't go call police, so police can't arrest this man. So my people, this life, the way we see they happen these days not be small. This issue of when be say man go they carry they beat children anyhow because say maybe they want claim right or say they be the man of the house, you don't give pikin food to eat. This kind of person say now see money na table take give children food, so now we come say we want to put children for school. And another thing I want to be say you be woman, you pass through violence for house, you run comot, say you don't want to get the marriage, I beg. If you know say you get the strength, you know say you get that ability, you get that power, so I beg. Carry your pikin, you run comot with the children. No reason I say okay, then the man I say get the pikin, I want to do the pikin, make it carry, and you know I want to do the children and the children. I beg. This one of it. So I did baby neighbor not dead there, and so the children just say carry, they go suffocate for inside the drum. They will let go like that. They come the hear story that touches the heart. And all these things so we say they happen for Nigeria. So I just really say make justice prevail for this man, make it see give sense. So many people say they abuse their children. Make them know say not be they get their children, say their children still get rights by law. And I also promise say justice prevail for the children. I've those say that their papa they very painful, so can you see maybe their papa can go prison, all kind of thing. But the thing be say I don't know what to be say I want to talk for the matter, say because the thing tire me. I just may you share my thoughts of what to be say I get for this matter. Anything also you get to contribute, not forget to leave it for the comment section below. And say you be first time say they come across my channel with this, don't forget to subscribe and maybe press that post notification bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, then you will be the very first person to know until I come back again. Bye bye. I love you. Ciao.